Hey guys! So I did end up switching purses from that little purse that everybody loves, including myself, because going back and forth to my mom's, I've realized it's just a lot easier to carry a bigger purse because then I can throw Alden's stuff into my purse rather than carrying a big backpack with me. So a bigger purse can carry his Kindle, a few extra toys he wants to bring, and maybe a snack. So I figured I would go ahead and do a purse dump for you guys since I've never done a video like that before. Hopefully you enjoy it. I don't think there's a whole lot to clean out of it yet, but we can definitely do more purse dumps in the future when my purse is really messy and full of receipts and all of that stuff like it happens all the time. So that's what we're gonna do. Now, I did switch from the big pink purse I told you guys I switched to my yellow, oh my god, yellow Steve Madden, because the pink purse was slightly too big, but this purse is like the perfect size for me to use right now. So, let's get on into the purse dump. Alright, so this purse doesn't have any outside pockets, which kind of stinks. These do zip closed, but I zipped them open because then the cute tassels are in the front of the purse instead of the back of the purse, and then there's also a cute little tassel on the zipper pull. Oh, and this is a Steve Madden bag. It came from eBay. Oh, and I have my hand sanitizer on the side of the bag, but let's just dump this bad boy out. Oh my god. I've never done this before. It's so weird to me. I always try to be more organized. Alright. The only thing I won't dump out or take out is just the inside zippered pocket, because you guys already know what's in there. Okay. Of course, my wallet has to stay. I'm still using this bad boy. Like I said, my ID's here. I keep my dad's license and his lifelong fishing permit in there. And then on this side, I decided to just keep a bunch of different photos. So this is a family photo of us from the park. I have a picture of me and my cousin, a picture of me and my fiance, and I believe just a picture of Alden in these little slots. So that can go back in there. My notebook has to stay with me because when Alden keeps my phone in the car, I have to write my lists down because my lists are typically in my phone. And if he keeps my phone, I always forget what I need. And then, of course, my 2021 planner will be staying in my purse as well. My Bombshell has to stay in there because you guys know I love smelling good. And my beloved sunglasses. I love these so much. Like, I can't even describe to you guys how much I love those. A couple of Alden's toys were in there because we take the stuff to my mom's. So I'm going to take those out for now and he can put new stuff in there for tomorrow. I do have my, like, video idea notebook in my purse for now because when I'm at my mom's, I want to try and think of more video ideas to do. But I have pages worth, which is pretty nice. So I have a lot of ideas, but I'm going to keep this with me for now. It's nice and thin, so it doesn't take up room in my purse, and it's not heavy. This stays in my purse because it has Band-Aids, Neosporin, Dayquil, hydrocortisone cream, like anything we might need on the go, so that stays. These 2 lottery tickets I just picked up for my mom, so I gotta take those to her tomorrow. Of course, all of my pens and highlighters, which I did downsize a lot. I only have 3 highlighters and 3 pens. Alden's chocolate bar I'll keep with me just in case he wants it tomorrow. And then my Reese's Outrageous bar, just to have a little snack. My pill container with my medicine in it. Of course, we got to keep these wipes with us because if we're in and out of the dollar store or wherever, we definitely need those. Some tissues. My Mentos mints that I love so very much. And of course, some, oh, I need to refill them, Q-tips. I'll keep this out so I can refill them. I'm keeping a couple of the Ghirardelli sugar cookie candies with me, and of course my little pack of gum. My keys are a must. My little mirror and my little scrunchie just in case. I'm going to keep this phone case with me just in case. I'm using the black sparkly one I showed you guys, but sometimes I want this thicker, more durable case, so I'm going to keep this with me for now. And then my little hand lotion,
Baby.
My lip plumping gloss, and my lip balm. And then baby aspirin in case Alden gets hurt. This I'm keeping with me so that when we go in Dollar Tree, I can hook it to my glasses and my glasses won't fall off with my mask on. Of course, our 2 masks. And I had a bag of honey roasted peanuts in there as a snack, but I don't think I'm going to keep them in there. I think I'm going to take them out because I don't think I need them. So, yeah. At least everything seems decently organized. It doesn't look the best. I'm going to try and show you guys. But let me stick these 2 things in here. Alden is in here and he won't leave me alone, and it's driving me up a wall because he can't just let me do what I need to do. So it's going to be hard to show you. It's kind of a flimsier type of purse. But I know where everything is. I like to keep my notebooks and wallet and stuff towards the back of the purse, like towards me. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. I haven't used this purse in a long time, so even though I was really excited about that smaller purse, once I'm done going back and forth to my mom's, I'm definitely going to switch back to that purse again. It's just easier because this kind of purse can fit his Kindle, a few of his toys, and, you know, like I said, that way we don't have to take a backpack with us. So, that was my first purse dump. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it wasn't the best, and you might have heard Alden in the background, so I'm sorry about that. I keep telling him to please be quiet for me, but I do really like this purse. I like the sunflower strap that I'm using. I think it's cute, and yeah, it's easy to carry, you know, when I'm dealing with a kid inside of a store. So, that was my first purse dump. If you guys enjoyed it and you want to see more purse dumps, just let me know. I'm going to try and do them more so when my purse is like just really junked up with receipts and again like toys or snacks I don't need in there anymore. That way when I dump it out, like I can really clear more stuff out. I just thought since I did trade purses again on you guys, I would do a purse dump instead of a trade purses with me or another what's in my purse. So I don't know, it was my first time. I'll learn how to do it a little bit better and hopefully keep Alden away from me while doing it, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye!